who made it.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy. Bring y'all another video. This video, man, it been about a month or more that I done had the Harley, and so now I guess it's time to talk about some likes, dislikes, etc., etc. So let's get into it. Alright, so things I like about the bike, Harley, coming from a cruiser or coming from a sport bike over to a cruiser. I do love how comfortable it is. Like, it's very fucking comfortable. Like, you can just find yourself riding for hours or, whatever. As long as you got your good seat and gas and all that shit. What I don't like is like the way that they're like. I love how comfortable it is, but it's almost like unnerving when I look at my speedometer and I'm going like 75, 80 miles an hour, and it feels like I'm riding on the fucking couch. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's good, but it's coming from a sport bike. All my sport bike riders, I'm pretty sure that y'all can relate. I'm pretty sure you can relate to, how, because on the sport bike, it's kind of back. I don't know. Like the way that you own the bike is totally different. You know what I'm saying? So you got your pegs. Your pegs is like kind of right there, so your legs like bent back paper clips, but when you own the bike, you know what I'm saying, you kind of tucked in on it, man. Like you kind of feel one with the bike, as you turn or whatever, man. Like it's just real different, and sometimes I feel like I don't know, it's like I'm so comfortable and at ease, but I feel like I'm in danger at the same time. But I'm pretty sure it's something I'll get over and I'll get used to. Like I said, the ride is comfortable as shit, but it's damn near like too comfortable. Like, how can I be controlling this majestic machine and still be so comfortable? You know what I'm saying? When I was riding, Busa, it's like you tucked in, you feel like you were more controlled. I don't know. Like even at highway speeds, I feel like, I don't know if it's because the sport bike's running like maybe a higher RPM or something. Like, I just kind of felt like I was always in more control. Like if I downshift and disappear, or if I'm on a sport bike and I'm getting ready to go into a curve, I did it the way I did it. I would downshift, and then I would power through the curve, and as I'm going through the curve, I felt more sturdy on the bike. You know what I'm saying? Not like the wind could fucking tip me over. Versus on this, because the shit's so comfortable, even when I downshift and I power into it, man, it still don't give me that same feeling. So that's something that I'm gonna have to get used to, and I mean it's fine. So So I don't even know if this would be a like-dislike video, but I'm saying, yeah. Probably name it things I love / hate about my new Harley, and then go from there. What else? I have yet to use the highway pegs, because I don't know, like, people be the way that people be driving and pulling out in front of you, etc., like, I don't know. I just feel like my reaction time is quicker if, like, I'm down there on the footpaths, which is fine. And then I guess at the same time, it also depends on, how long the ride is, etc. But I mean, I get it. You know what I'm saying? You put your cruise control on, but at the same time, you have to watch for traffic, and then me, more importantly, because of my first incident, lay down or whatever, like I'm watching road obstructions like a whole lot more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm watching the shit out the road. Bumps, crevices, all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want nothing to, wipe me out again. Because the first time, like, I was only going 30, 35. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even want to imagine what the shit would have been like if I was doing, 60 plus. You know what I'm saying? Definitely would have been probably a whole lot worse. So, yeah. So, I mean, I'm just a whole lot more cautious, and, riding as I'm learning the bike, becoming more familiar with the bike. I've been watching some YouTube channels. Shout out to Be Your Own Boss, or Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle, man. I've been watching him. I've been watching some other channels, trying to kind of get comfortable with, low speed maneuvers. But I mean, the whole experience is different for me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm coming over from sport bikes. So I got my plate in, so that's good. But yeah, other than that, man, that's all I got, man. I mean, this Ram, man, works great. I am just surprised how this shit can hold my damn phone when I'm going down the road. Oh yeah, also I grabbed this off of Amazon. This is a garage door opener, so it can just kind of hang right there, and then I can hit the button and open the garage when I'm coming up. Put it back down. So I think this was a good buy off of Amazon. Still don't know what I'm gonna put here, but I'm more than likely this is gonna get replaced by something. Because I mean, I don't really know that I really need like a cup holder. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. I don't know that I would fully utilize a cup holder, man. Like maybe down the line. So, but I did not take this off because I'm not exactly sure like what lies behind there, and then I don't want to have nothing loose on the bike. So, I mean, it can stay there for now. It ain't doing no harm. So, but yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got. For likes and dislikes, overall, man, I love the bike. Love riding. You know what I'm saying? Getting out there, making it do what it do. Like I said, I'm just still getting used to the way that these ride versus the sport bikes. And if you have any tips on, how to kind of feel more in control, or maybe I will never get that same feeling on a cruiser, and y'all need to tell me that. So I'm not looking for something that don't exist. So yeah, honestly, I could really just leave this bike as it is, but I gotta do the thug thizzle. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make it stick out. Gotta put probably gotta put a bigger wheel on the front. Buddy of mine said there's a company that makes like a bigger stock wheel. I guess it looks just like that. Which I'd be cool with that, because I'm not necessarily thrilled about spending $2-3 on some wheels and tires. So kind of the same thing with my Ram. With my Ram truck, I mean, as I'm paying on it, like I really haven't done no modifications. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a 17, and I haven't done anything to it because, well, I don't know. That's just my daily driver. Like, but I mean, I got, you know what I'm saying? I got that's on rims, Cutlass on rims, Box Chevy on rims. So if I want to ride rims, I just get on a different bike. However, with my booster had the Savage joints from RC. I didn't know that when I had the bike, but now I know. But it had the wheels on there from RC, the Savage wheels from RC. I mean, it was a nice looking bike, and I love the way it looked. It was like lean, whatever. Don't get me wrong, this is sexy the way it is, but if I had a little bit more onto my, I don't know. Maybe I just had to save up and just get what I want, man. I've seen them wheels. It's in my banner on my channel here, and you know what I'm saying, that's the goal. That's the goal. So probably end up going 21, which is really only 2 inches bigger than this. You know what I'm saying? But you can put a different fender on it, which I guess makes the wheel look different or bigger. Or I even kind of thought about 23, which would be 19, it'll be 4 inches taller. But then I was thinking about, well, if that's gonna raise the bike up even more off the ground, I don't know if I want to do that. So that's why I think I was kind of like, let's just do a 21. So I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell. Make sure y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Down.